guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a really fun video. So I have partnered up with the company called Yoga Club, and Yoga Club is a subscription service for yoga apparel. Now, you don't just need to do yoga in order to wear these items. Style quiz when you first sign up, and then they're gonna ask you your level of activity. So if you are specifically running, maybe you're cycling, maybe you are weightlifting, or maybe you're just doing yoga, or you're just lounging around taking walk, or maybe you're just someone who takes a walk. So depending on your activity level, they're going to pair up the perfect outfit for you. There's also a sizing chart, so you can make sure that you get the right size yoga pants, the right size sports bra, all of that stuff. And it's very detailed. So they'll ask you what colors you like. They'll ask you if you're into patterns, if you're into mesh, all sorts of stuff. So they really curate your box to your style, which I absolutely love. And activewear is something that I just don't shop for myself. So having someone else pick this out for me, I am just so grateful, because I really do not like the line from Old Navy. I'm not a fan of the Target line either. The only other brands I've tried are Lululemon, which is super expensive. I've tried Fabletics, not a fan of their leggings. And I've also tried Victoria's Secret Sport. I'm excited to try something new and test out some brands that maybe I didn't know about. So I'm really excited about that, because I lead a very active lifestyle. So I run 40s a week, and then I also kickbox 3 days a week. So I like live in activewear, and especially since I'm a mom of 3 kids, this is just an easy thing for me to throw on. So I like live in this stuff. So I am super excited to share with you guys what is in my box. Box is priced at $79, so you can do this every month, you can do this every quarter, you can do this however many times you want. You just log into your account, and then you let your stylist know when you're ready for a new box. So personally speaking, I think that $79 is really good for what you're gonna get into the box, because if you were to go to Victoria's Secret and just buy one pair of leggings, you're looking at about 60 bucks. If you were to go into Lululemon for leggings, they're like over $100 and something. So this is a great deal. I mentioned Fabletics, you can get the 2 for $24 deal, but after your first month, then you start paying more. And like I mentioned, I'm just not a fan of the Fabletic leggings. So let me know in the comment section below if you are also with me on that. I've tried them, I just don't like them. So now I'm gonna hop in and share with you guys everything that is in my box. So first of all, it comes in this really cute pink box. So I just love packaging of subscription boxes like this, because I am always reusing my boxes. So the first thing in here is a coupon, which I love coupons. It's called Sweet Earth. And it is a coupon for a free entree. Oh, there's a few of them for pizza. Ooh, I've seen these in my Target, so I'm definitely gonna go and use these coupons. Wow, I'm super excited. Free coupons? Yes, I love that. Let's see. One of the coupons is valued for $6.99. We have another one for $4.99, and we have one for $3.49. So that is an awesome value to have in this box. Yes, I'm all about that. And then there is something in here for tea. So a $10 gift card on your first order for Teach Me Tea. So cool. All right. So I am super boring when it comes to athletic wear. Requested black for everything in here. So the first thing in here is from the Free Yoga, and it is a black kind of acid wash top. And the retail price on this is $50. So again, the box is $79, and this is already 50 bucks. So it is a dry fit top, so it's really gonna help like absorb all the sweat, which is definitely needed. So again, this is from the Free Yoga, and it's super soft too. And then I'm gonna do a try on for you guys as well. And the next thing is a combo of a sports bra with a little workout tank, which I absolutely love. And this is from the brand Threads for Thought, and it is in the size medium. So I absolutely love this. And the detail on the sports bra, it's like a camo print. So I don't know if you're seeing this, the print coming on camera, but that's super cute. And the retail value on this, 68 bucks. So already paid for the box right there. And then the next thing is from Splendid Studios. And these are just basic yoga pants, and looks like this is in the size large. Yeah, I got a size large. So they're just basic yoga pants. So I'm gonna try everything on. I told you guys I was super boring when it comes to my workout gear. I just opt for black because I'm not one for like crazy prints or mesh or anything like that. So let's go and try this box on. First top, this is gonna be perfect for working out. And what I love is the neckline is higher, so I'm not gonna have to worry about my boobs like bouncing all over the place. So this is definitely a very comfortable top for doing kickboxing, which I appreciate. And these leggings, I probably could have went a size smaller. I probably could have got away with a size medium, but these are the yoga pants, so they're pretty basic, but that's the type of leggings I go for when I'm working out. So I don't like colored leggings. I just like basic black, and I like that they are full length as well because I have a few cropped leggings already, so it's nice to have some full length leggings. All right, so this is the second top right here, and I love the attachment of the sports bra included in the top. I absolutely love this style, and the cut is, and I like the cut as well, and I already did some bouncing around, and my boobs are gonna be staying intact, which I love. And I like having a little bit more of a stylish shirt, especially one to like show off my muscles. As you can see, I've been kickboxing, so I actually have some muscles right here. So I really like this top as well, and the cut is pretty fun also. So it's longer on the side, but then shorter in the back. So it kind of just gives a little extra to your workout top. So I absolutely love this as well. So overall, I really like the quality of everything that was in this box. I can tell that I'm gonna get some really good wear out of some of these pieces. Everything in the box I'm gonna get really good wear out of, and I already took the tags off of this tank right here because it just fits me perfectly. And I just feel there's just an extra level of like oomph in my step when I'm wearing a black workout tank. I don't know what it is, but it just makes me feel like really sexy. So I am digging this. So I would wear this, you know, out to go do errands, and I would wear it to go kickboxing. So it's something I can wear so it's something that I could sport doing multiple different things. So I am all about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link below to Yoga Club so you guys can go ahead and check it out. I would highly recommend them, especially if you're someone who lives in yoga clothes and athleisure. I would definitely go and check them out. So a big thank you to Yoga Club for working with me on this video. I appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys all later. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below if there's any other boxes that you would like me to test out, any other subscription services you would like me to test out. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will take a look. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.